Hi, my name is John Joteukat Kashindi. This screencast is to demonstrate the Transact T-SQL data manipulation and sales forecast approach that respond to the my community's data set analysis of the final project week 4.2 assignment in IT1 Auditory class for blocks 2025. Previously, I presented my two communities data set I've chosen. This assignment used the same data set, the teacher loan file table or data set and public loan service report table or data set. For my communities analysis, this SQL data manipulation and sales forecast approach assignment, I created these script folders: hello words, public service loan script, and teacher loan script. As you can see, these are scripts or files within each folders. For the sake of this video, I will run through the teacher loan script. I've already loaded all these files into the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, first off, for the answer forecast approach, we begin by a question, and this is my question: what is the total direct loan program dollars forgiven by year? Next, I began to create answers to the question. I will ask the server to so I will ask the server using these steps. So select fiscal year and the direct loan program dollars forgiven, and then I will aggregate the dollars by year. Okay, here I run an ad hoc query to calculate total dollars forgiven by year. This gives me the raw answers to my question before I turn it into a view, and here I have the result of dollars forgiven aggregated per year. Yeah. Okay, next, these scripts turn my ad hoc SQL query into a view. As you can see, this line creates a view, and I borrowed the previous code over here to populate my view. Next, I use this portion of script to store the view record in a physical table named teacher loan forgiveness. So I use the select into statement to populate or to create a new table that is populated directly from my previous view. This is another way I do to create my physical table called teacher loan forgiveness, but this time with control over constraints. As you can see, I added constraints over here. I have non-null constraint and primary key that I added on the fiscal year. Yeah, notice I can still use the select into statement or insert into select statement to populate this table from my view. Notice the drop table, if exists, on the top of my script. Next, I load the table from my view using the ad hoc SQL script. After running the trunket plus insert into statement, the table that we dropped and recreated a new one with no record should reload with the same values from the view. Yeah, let's review the result over here. I will execute this portion of code to see, and here we go. These are records stored into our view. Next, I encapsulate my logic into a storage procedure, so it can be reused and called by the ETL, extract, transform, and load processes. Yeah, here I create my procedure, and here I borrow the previous code to populate directly my procedure. Yeah, and here I demonstrate how to execute directly my procedure by calling it. Yeah, and as you see, these are the same result from the same record from our view. Okay, thank you for watching.